What's up, y'all? We doing makeup today. That's a skin concealer thingy. Yeah, I'm Dylan. I'm Vanessa's brother, and yeah, she wanted me to do this. So yeah, so you're gonna take the skin concealer thingy, and you're gonna take one of those. I think it's like a booby blender or something. I don't know. And you just gonna put it all over your face, and I don't know what that is. It's very white. That's something for your eye. You're gonna need to brush it. Yeah. And you do it under your eyes too. And I think it'll like cover up bags or something like that. Yeah. Yeah. So you blend it in, and then that's like, oh my god. That's I thought that was eyeshadow. That's not eyeshadow. That's a palette. That's a makeup palette. I think that's eyeshadow, something like that. Whatever. You gonna use a different color, and you gonna put it on there, and it's gonna look nice. You heard? So yeah. It won't help the fact that you're chinky though, cause you could tell she's really chinky. So you're gonna use a brush, and you're gonna brush everything, and then I think that's an eyelash curler. You know, curl your eyebrows. Yeah, and that is mascara, I think. So you're gonna use the mascara, make your lashes look bigger. And then that is stuff for I don't know. That says bronzer, so I'm gonna assume that's bronzer. You're gonna use it all on the face, and then is that chapstick? Use chapstick. I'm pretty sure that's like highlight or something, or blush maybe. Oh. No, that's highlight. That way is that wait. You got fake lashes, which you need to use glue and tweezers to put on. You heard? And wow. And yeah. Now she go. Oh no, that's. I think that's the highlight. Yeah, that's the highlight. You can tell. Yeah. So yeah, just apply the highlight, and that shit. Oh, that's gonna look popping. I wasn't supposed to curse. I ain't say nothing. And then that's lip gloss. So yeah, and then you got makeup setting spray, and oh, look at her hair. Gosh, she's chinky. Yeah, and that's a full makeup look. So yeah, it looks cute or whatever. She's still chinky, but yeah. All right.